Hi guys, it's Shannon from everydaybest.com. I cannot wait to show you this really fun and cheap way to make a topiary for your Christmas display. So our dollar store has these 15 feet garlands and battery operated lights. They're $1 each, okay? And then I bought a tomato cage, and the smaller size tomato cage that I'm looking for here was one that I got at Lowe's. You can also order them from Amazon. I'm going to put links in my blog to help you find them. And they're about $1.50 each. So $1.50 is the base. Next, you're going to use that garland and just wrap it around. You could use a few dots of hot glue to kind of hold it in places, but I honestly didn't use any hot glue because I wrapped it around each little part of the cage and it really held on well. The dollar store garland is not very full, and that's why I used 6 of the 15 feet sections. But if you're using a garland that's more full, you may be able to get away with a smaller amount. Then you can add lights, add some picks from the dollar store, and make it your own. I think these are so beautiful, and what I really like is they look like they're much more expensive than they are. Altogether, each one of these costs me just under $10. And I think they really hold up to other lights in my yard. Hope this helps. Have a great holiday.